In this video, I will show you how you can set up FaceTime on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to set up FaceTime, first of all, just open Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. And now from here, just enable the toggle for FaceTime. Now instead of this toggle, if you find your Apple ID mentioned over here, just tap on your Apple ID, then tap on the Enter button on the keyboard. Now after you do that, all the FaceTime settings will appear over here. Now if you have done that and if the FaceTime settings did not appear on this page, then just simply go back, then tap on FaceTime one more time, and you will find all the FaceTime settings over here. Now just scroll down and look for FaceTime, and under FaceTime you will find the section of You can be reached by FaceTime at. Now over here, just select your Apple ID or your phone number. Just select the contact method which you want to use for FaceTime. And after you do that, you'll set up FaceTime on your iPhone. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open FaceTime, now let's remove it from the background and let's open it one more time. As you can see, we have successfully opened FaceTime on our iPhone. Now you can tap on New Call and you can do a FaceTime video call or audio call from here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.